So it's totally working, guys. It's pretty crazy, and I haven't had any jailbreaking problems or anything like that. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you to get a Sims FreePlay mod with unlimited resources. So as you can see there, look at that. Dang, bro. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. This is a modded version, guys. It totally works. So just keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. This is insane, bro. So if you guys like the video, be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this. It's super insane. So yeah, pretty cool. There's no jailbreaking involved or anything like that. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So I'm going to show you exactly to get the Sims FreePlay hack mod. Check it out. Look at that. Dang, let's go. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So what you want to do, guys, is get in your browser and go over to this site called ZooMods. So once you're there, guys, go to the search bar and just type in Sims FreePlay. So as you can see, guys, should come right up. So as you can see, guys, it says Sims FreePlay Mods. Just press on this. It's going to start to download, guys. So hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. It actually works. It's super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So as you can see, guys, if we go to the App Store, you can see how expensive it is. So if we type in Sims FreePlay, you guys can see that the game is just super expensive, bro. So it's not even worth it. So yeah, look at this, bro. In-app purchases, dang, freaking $19. What the hell? So guys, don't get involved in this. It's not worth it. Instead, guys, you can just use this modded version, which is super insane, guys. All you gotta do is go ahead and go over to ZooMods, and you're gonna be all good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead and try it out. Just type in Sims, and you're gonna be all good. I hope you guys liked the video, though, so be sure to go ahead and try this out. It actually works, guys. It's super insane. So if you have any problems, guys, be sure to drop it down below in the comments. I'll be sure to get back to you guys to help you fix your issues. I mean, this is super insane. It actually works, guys. It's super cool. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in a future video. I hope you have a lot of fun with this method. It's totally updated, guys. This actually works. It's super insane. So yeah, guys, if you have any problems, drop it down below in the comments. I'll be sure to get back to you and help you fix your problems. So yeah, super cool. I mean, this is crazy, bro. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.